Today I'm going to show you how to piece the foundation for the Snappy Slippers by Cool Cat Designs here. Okay, you start with your foundation piece, and this was cut about 1/4 of an inch larger than the pattern piece, and I've marked the line that's shown on the pattern piece. So we line up our first 5-inch strip along that line, and then we take our second 5-inch strip and I like to fold it over about 1/4 of an inch and then place it on the first strip. So we're going to start matching up this corner and come down here, and we're making sure we have at least 1/4 of an inch here. And this will be our sew line. So we're going to open it up, take it over the machine, it's a quick sew, and then we're going to cut off this excess like this. Open this up and press it or finger press it. Okay, now we're going to take our next strip and repeat, folding up about 1/4 of an inch. Match it up here at the top, and then with about 1/4 of an inch over this edge, and sew. And if you didn't see that, I'm sewing right along here, 1/4 of an inch, right along here, along my new strip. And then I'm going to cut off the excess inside, making sure I don't cut off my foundation piece. Open this up, finger press, and so on. So you're going to continue in that manner. Here's one that's finished. So you can see I have along the bottom, these are going this way, and then when you get to the straightaway, you can alternate directions like this if you want. After you attach all your pieces here, then you're going to take your pattern piece, again, put it in the middle, cut off the excess. That's what I've done here. Hope that helps. Goodbye.